15 cars that you should avoid buying in 2025. If you don't want to waste your money, make sure to watch this video till the end. So, let's begin today's video. Number 15 is Volkswagen Jetta. Once a favorite among compact sedans, the Volkswagen Jetta has hit a rough patch in 2025. While it still boasts an attractive price point and decent fuel efficiency, it struggles to stand out in a market brimming with better-equipped competitors. Critics point to its underwhelming interior quality, which feels more budget than premium, especially when stacked against similarly priced rivals. Reliability concerns have also cropped up, with owners reporting issues ranging from electronic glitches to transmission troubles. Add to that a driving experience that's been described as uninspired, and the Jetta starts to feel like it's stuck in neutral. Number 14 is Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier, once a solid choice for budget-conscious truck buyers, finds itself struggling to keep up in 2025. While it offers a familiar, rugged exterior, beneath the surface lies a drivetrain and interior that feel outdated compared to its competitors. Owners have reported concerns with powertrain reliability, including issues with engine performance and transmission smoothness. Additionally, the Frontier's interior quality is subpar, with lackluster materials and limited tech features that fall short in today's connected world. Number 13 is Rivian R1T. The Rivian R1T, a highly anticipated electric truck, has had a promising start, but in 2025, it's facing some challenges. While the R1T offers impressive off-road capabilities and a sleek, futuristic design, early adopters have raised concerns about build quality and software issues. Battery performance, particularly range anxiety in colder climates, continues to be a concern, with inconsistent real-world results. Additionally, the R1T's high price tag doesn't always translate into the smooth, reliable experience buyers expect from an EV in this category. Number 12 is Ford Fiesta. The Ford Fiesta has long been a popular choice for those seeking a compact, affordable car, but in 2025, it struggles to keep pace with newer competitors. Despite its reputation for being fun to drive, the Fiesta's performance and interior quality have started to fall behind. Many owners have reported issues with reliability, particularly concerning engine performance and transmission smoothness. Additionally, the outdated infotainment system and limited tech features feel lacking in today's tech-driven market. While the Fiesta still offers decent fuel economy, its overall value is diminishing as competitors offer more modern designs, better safety features, and improved comfort. Number 11 is Jaguar I-Pace. The Jaguar I-Pace, while a stylish and high-performance electric SUV, has faced challenges in 2025. While it offers a premium design and impressive acceleration, the vehicle has been plagued by reliability issues and inconsistent software performance. Many owners have reported frequent glitches in the infotainment system and concerns over battery longevity, with range anxiety still a concern for some users. Additionally, the I-Pace's high price tag doesn't always match the level of refinement expected from a luxury brand. Number 10 is Ford Bronco Sport. The Ford Bronco Sport has generated buzz with its rugged, retro-inspired design, but in 2025, it's falling short in key areas. While it offers decent off-road capability, many owners have reported a lack of refinement in its driving experience, with concerns about noisy cabins and a stiff ride. Additionally, the Bronco Sport's interior materials feel underwhelming compared to competitors in its price range. Tech features, though present, aren't as intuitive or advanced as those in other SUVs. Number 9 is Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos, despite its sleek design and reasonable price, struggles to make a strong impression in 2025. While it offers decent fuel efficiency and a comfortable ride, it falls short in areas like interior quality and overall performance. Owners have reported issues with cabin materials feeling cheap, especially in comparison to competitors that offer more premium finishes. Additionally, the infotainment system can be sluggish, leading to a frustrating user experience. Number 8 is Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has long been a fan favorite for its rugged styling and off-road capabilities, but in 2025, it's falling short of expectations. While it offers a capable 4x4 system, the rest of the package feels outdated and underwhelming. Owners have reported frequent issues with the Compass's unrefined interior, with low-quality materials and a lack of modern tech features. Additionally, the ride can be bumpy, and the engine lacks the power needed for a smooth, confident drive. Number 7 is Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade, once a popular choice for its rugged looks and compact size, falls short in 2025. While it maintains off-road capability, its shortcomings in key areas have started to overshadow its appeal. Owners have reported a lack of refinement, with concerns about a noisy interior, poor ride quality, and a lack of advanced technology features. Additionally, the engine can feel underpowered, making it less responsive for city driving or highway use. Reliability issues have also been a common complaint, with frequent reports of transmission and electrical problems. In a competitive SUV market, where newer models offer better performance, comfort, and technology, the Renegade is starting to feel outdated. Number 6 is Fiat 500. The Fiat 500 has long been known for its distinctive Italian design and compact charm, but in 2025, it's showing signs of struggling to keep up with modern expectations. While it remains a stylish city car, its performance and reliability have become concerns for many owners. Many reports highlight issues such as limited power from the engine, a cramped interior, and an outdated infotainment system that feels sluggish compared to rivals. Additionally, the Fiat 500 lacks modern safety features that are becoming standard in today's compact cars. Number 5 is Jaguar F-Type. The Jaguar F-Type, once celebrated for its bold design and exhilarating performance, is struggling to maintain its edge in 2025. While it still delivers impressive power and a distinctive appearance, it falls short in several key areas compared to newer competitors. Owners have raised concerns about the aging interior, with cheap materials and a lack of modern tech features. Additionally, the ride can be uncomfortable, and the driving dynamics don't quite live up to its sports car heritage. Number 4 is Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio has always been a symbol of Italian passion and performance, but in 2025, it struggles to balance style with reliability and modern refinement. While it delivers impressive horsepower and a dynamic driving experience, concerns about build quality and long-term dependability are starting to surface. Owners have reported issues with transmission clunkiness, inconsistent handling, and a cabin that feels less luxurious compared to its competitors. Additionally, the infotainment system can be slow to respond, and the interior lacks some of the advanced features found in other high-performance sedans. Number 3 is Toyota GR Supra 2.0. The Toyota GR Supra 2.0, while offering a sleek design and sports car credentials, falls short in several areas in 2025. While it provides decent performance, the smaller 2.0-liter engine lacks the punch needed for a truly exhilarating driving experience. Owners have reported issues with handling, as the car struggles to deliver the sharp, responsive feel expected from a sports coupe. Additionally, the interior, though stylish, feels cramped with subpar materials and limited tech features compared to other sports cars in its class. Number 2 is Nissan GT-R. The Nissan GT-R, once a symbol of performance and engineering excellence, is starting to show signs of aging in 2025. While it still boasts impressive power and a unique driving experience, the competition has caught up, offering more refined and technologically advanced alternatives. Owners have reported issues with interior quality, with outdated materials and a lack of modern amenities expected in high-end sports cars. Additionally, the ride can feel harsh, and the technology, while reliable, lacks the sophistication found in newer performance vehicles. Number 1 is Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio continues to turn heads with its striking design and powerful performance. But in 2025, it's facing growing concerns about reliability and practicality. While it delivers exhilarating driving dynamics and a high-performance engine, the SUV's faults are becoming harder to ignore. Owners have reported issues with suspension stiffness, inconsistent handling, and a noisy cabin at higher speeds. Additionally, the interior lacks some of the premium finishes expected in this luxury SUV class. and the infotainment system can be sluggish and outdated. So friends, these were the 15 cars you should avoid buying in 2025. Let me know in the comments below how you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel